Listen up, foodie. Think cherries are just for pies and cobblers? No way. Cherries are great with every meal of the day. Make sure to download your free copy of the Michigan Cherry Recipe Cookbook from our website. Let's get started with great tasting recipe ideas: sweet, tart, and juicy. Cherries bring a flavor explosion to any dish, from salads to sauces and even meat. Get ready to elevate your cooking game from amateur hour to Michelin star worthy. We'll turn you into a cherry maestro, whipping up dishes that'll have your guests begging for more. First up, let's talk fruit. Cherries play nice with a whole range of their fruity mates. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, and lime bring a bright, zesty kick that cuts through the cherry sweetness. Think of a bright cherry and lemon tart, the perfect balance. Then you've got your berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, perfect for a summer fruit salad or a decadent crumble. Peaches, apricots, plums, they bring a rich, juicy depth to any cherry dish. And for a tropical twist, try mango or pineapple. Perfect for smoothies, sauces, or even salsas. Now, you might think I've gone mad pairing cherries with vegetables. Beets with their earthy sweetness are a match made in heaven for cherries. Picture a vibrant salad with roasted beets, fresh cherries, goat cheese, and candied walnuts, a flavor explosion in every bite. Arugula and spinach with their peppery bite cut through the cherry sweetness beautifully. And if you're feeling adventurous, try fennel. Its anise flavor adds a unique twist to salads and slaws. Listen, no dish is complete without a bit of crunch. Almonds are a classic pairing. Think cherry Bakewell tart or a fresh cherry and almond salad. Pistachios, with their delicate buttery flavor, are another winner. Walnuts and pecans bring an earthy richness to cobblers and salads, while hazelnuts add a luxurious touch to cherry and chocolate desserts. Toast your nuts before adding them to your dish. It intensifies their flavor and adds another layer of complexity. Herbs bring a breath of fresh air to any dish, and they're especially delightful with cherries. Mint is a no-brainer. Muddle it into cherry cocktails, scatter it over fruit salads, or use it to garnish desserts. Basil, with its sweet, peppery flavor, is a match made in heaven for savory cherry dishes like bruschetta or pasta sauces. Now, it's time to turn up the heat. Spices add depth and complexity to cherries, transforming them from simple to sensational. Cinnamon is a classic pairing for a reason. It adds warmth and spice to pies, crumbles, and even savory sauces. Clove and allspice bring a festive cheer to holiday desserts and preserves. Ginger adds a zesty kick to salsas, drinks, and even chutneys. And for a truly unexpected twist, try black pepper. Its sharp bite adds a surprising depth to cherry jams and even cheese boards. Alright, you lot, time to ditch the sweet stuff and get down to business. Cherries aren't just for dessert. They can hold their own in savory dishes too. Think juicy pork chops with a sticky cherry glaze, or a rich fatty duck breast with a cherry and balsamic reduction. Pure decadence. Roast chicken with a cherry and rosemary glaze, grilled steak with a cherry and red wine sauce. The possibilities are endless. There you have it, you bunch of hungry foodies. A masterclass in cherry pairings, delivered straight from yours truly, from fresh summer salads bursting with flavor to decadent desserts that'll have your guests licking their plates. Cherries are the key to unlocking your culinary creativity. So, go on, get in that kitchen and start experimenting. And remember, if you want to add a touch of tart cherry goodness to your creations, Traverse Bay Farms has got you covered. Now go forth and conquer.